So as the number one provider of storage in the federal government, our strategy is make more disk drives, obviously.
Right.
A lot of big data coming our way. Seriously, our role is to continue to support a lot of the agencies in the federal government who have been involved for big data for years. Big data is not new.
Right.
I mean, when you say it's new to folks like NASA or NOAA or NGA,
Right.
you insult them. I mean,
Right.
they've been doing
Right.
big data for
Well, it's
years.
kind of like we came up with the term big
Yeah,
data.
yeah.
Again, before it was a lot of data. Now we have big data.
Yeah, interestingly enough, the guy who coined the term was an economics professor in University
right?
of Pennsylvania in 2000, I think it was, and his idea of big data was gigabytes a day, right?
Yeah.
Which we're seeing that. in
Now, correct me if I'm
minutes,
wrong, but my idea of big data is just data that is unstructured and doesn't fit nicely into structured.
Big data is all types of data. It's multi-structural, actually. It's
Right.
structured, semi-structured, and unstructured. I think what has people set back on their heels is about 80% of it now is unstructured.
Right. So it
which
doesn't fit real
fit
nicely into
Yeah, it doesn't-
traditional database
Correct.
designs and
Well,
stuff.
not only that, I mean, you can't easily cram it into relational databases,
Right.
but more importantly, when you look at some of the missions out there, notably in the Intel and the DoD space, where the mission's changing all the time, you don't have the luxury of a set schema to answer a particular business question. The questions change all the time, and you have to build schemas on the fly, and it's against unstructured data, so it's very challenging.
Right.
So our view is to actually, we maintain the state of everything above us as a storage array. We're at the bottom of the unsexy part, the bottom of the stack, but we maintain the state of everything above it.
Right.
So our focus has always been on data protection and management and how to recover quickly from that. But I'd add to it, what we've been doing in the cloud side as we attack that is we built this thing called FlexPod with our partner Cisco. And the whole point of that was to de-risk things for our customers, pre-sized, pre-engineered. And now we're doing that as well in a lot of the big data areas. We have pre-built HPC racks. We have pre-built Hadoop solutions and so forth, pre-built video surveillance solutions so that customers can quickly land those and provision them out, and the time to value is very short. So that's our strategy moving forward.